speaker, the most experienced Dr. M. Ramakrishnan Garu is going to give the first talk on installation of our program and data management and descriptive statistics and testing normality and several others according to the time availability. And just I want to read out a small brief biodata of Dr. M. Ramakrishnan Garu. Dr. M. Ramakrishnan completed his PhD in mathematics statistics from the University of Madras under the guidance of Professor R. Ravanan, the Joint Director of College Education, Chennai. Now he is working as Assistant Professor of Mathematics in RKM Vivekananda College, Chennai. His Dr. Ramakrishnan sir specializations are mathematical statistics and survival analysis, and he nearly taken around 165 workshops all over India in SPSS and R software from 2013 onwards, and he delivered lectures at many of the national institutions under FDP program, and some of the institutions like WIT, Venkateswara University, University of Madras, then Periyar University, Bharatidasan University, Aligarh Muslim University, Pondicherry University, Annamalai University, and DIET, NIFT, NITAR, SRX, so many institutions he get. I mean, he delivered his talk on R and SPSS, and Dr. Ramakrishnan published more than 15 research papers in both the national and international journal, and he attended more than 25 conferences and presented papers, and he guided 8 MPhil and 4 PhD research scholars in his specialization, and he was appointed as convener for Mr. Alia for his completion research work for University of Madras, and presently he is holding position of executive member in Tamil Nadu Statistical Association and life member in Indian Statistical Society for Probability and Statistics. And it is a very simple biodata, and more than that, he is a very well-known teacher. Really, it is a great, sir, and wonderful, and to honor my teacher by conducting a national workshop, 2 days national workshop, and yours is the first session, sir. And with this, I request Dr. Ramakrishnan, sir, to start your session of introduction to R and installation of R and other things, sir. So with this, I once again thank all the organizers of ICON KS Rao 2022 for giving me the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor. Good morning to all. So, my pronoun give honor to Professor Srinivasa Rao. I met Professor Srinivasa Rao many times in ISPS conference. I got his blessings. Because of his blessing, I am sitting before you all. To these people also. Professor Srinivasa Rao has elaborated the whole story about the workshop, the need of the data analysis, and also the need of R and Python. Nowadays, each researchers, not only the researcher, even though the undergraduate students also must know one of the language. It may be the C++ or Java or nowadays Python. In R is mostly important for statistical. It will be done, I assure you. So the first session, I'm going to introduce the R and also the how to installing the packages, then the data structure, everything. So with the help of the workshops, whatever I went through nearly the 170 workshop in all over the university, colleges and everything, I will do it within the 1.5 hours. We will enjoy. So all the participants, if you want any clarification, kindly you unmute and ask me. I hope the organizers are permitted.
Okay, just
now I'm going to share my screen. So, first of all, let us know packages and softwares are nowadays available. Hello, I'm audible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. We are having the excellent thing R. Why I am telling R? Because even though Python is very much important, but R is very much easy to handle, in my knowledge. Both professor told R and Python is necessary nowadays. So now R is very much easy. You can learn and enjoy R within these 2 days of workshop. That is enough, I think. Understand the concept of installing and also the handling the packages. That will be enough to you to go further in your studies. Within the 1.5 hour, that will motivate you to listen the remaining sessions. With the help of these sessions, you can proceed your work and you can enjoy and you can teach your friends also. It is a functional programming language and software environment for statistical computing and graphics. It is a programming language. Package. So therefore, this is very needy for all the researchers nowadays. Therefore, this is one among the popular language among the statisticians because of the nice graphical and it contains many statistical methodology. If you understand the initial concept, if you go to the Google and type your subject with R, you will get many PDFs, PPT, and YouTube and textbooks, everything you will get it. With the help of that one, you can proceed further. So this is the simple history about R. Initially, they named it as a S language, S for a, they tried it. Then they moved to S plus. Then 1988, with the help of the C, they used the language that is called S plus language. Then they named it as a R. Because why they named it as a R means I tell it to you. Because the two persons are very much interested to make
101 వరకు
these programming language as a free
మెసేజ్ వస్తుంది
because at the time S plus
మళ్ళీ
is as a paid one.
ఎగ్జిట్ అయ్యి
So
మళ్ళీ
therefore,
చేశాను
this is the main idea behind this one is called as a open source.
ఏమని వచ్చింది మెసేజ్
So I told the two persons, that is called Rose Isaaca and Robert
not allowed to
Gentleman.
join అని చెప్పి
In the 1977, they tried to bring this type of the statistical programming language to the statistics community free and open source. So they released
వస్తున్నారు అవ్వట్లేదు
and got the
యూట్యూబ్ లో
permission
పర్సనల్
from
ఫోటో
JNU.
వెరిఫై చేస్తున్నారు
The current version
ఇందులో
is
రికార్డ్ చేశారు
4.2.
ఇందులో రికార్డ్ చేశారు
In SPSS, we have so many versions are there.
అంటే మేడం
Whenever they are giving the updation,
అంటే
we have to
రెండు
pay
రికార్డింగ్
amount.
కొంచెం
But here
గజిబిజి
it is not
గజిబిజి చేస్తారు
necessary. Even though
కొంతవరకు నేను ఇందులో
if
రికార్డింగ్
you
చేస్తాను
go to Kranar website now, you will get
అలా యాడ్
today also some package may be introduced by some.
స్టార్టింగ్ ఎందుకైనా మంచి ఇందులో రికార్డింగ్
So these are all things we can expect and use for our study. Why R is needed? R is a free open source cross platform because we can use R in Windows through operating system Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now the recently 4.2.2 they need 64-bit operating system. If you are having 32-bit operating system, you can download the old versions. That is R 3.2 or 3.4 something. But R 4. This one to be needed the 64-bit only nowadays. This is why it is need means every day they are introducing the packages. We must know the importance of the package. Easily you can create a program with the help of some conditional statement and loop statement. This is also very much easy, but for handling the data, it is the most important. I will cover the importance of the things in the first session, then only you can move for other session. So it has a nice graphical capability. More statistical procedures we are having. Whatever I observed, that's only I'm going to share. Other than the usages will be available in R. It is a simple and efficient programming language, I already told. It is free from license. Because whenever you are using SPSS, you have to quote about what version you are used for your publication of the paper, and the license also you have to mention. But R is free from license. I told you the very important things in R is package means if you understand the concept of package in R, you can do your research work easily. In each package, give the package to the R community. That package contains that a PDF form is there. With the help of that PDF form, when they are donated that packages and what are the things are available, what are the function he has written, the function name, what type introduced, what are the arguments and arguments explanation, then output. What type of output we will get it, everything will be available in the description of the every packages. Up to now, we have item here. Yesterday only I have seen, day before yesterday only I have seen 18,981 user contributed models or packages are available in R now. Among 18,981 packages, few packages may be useful for our research work, because even though we are all statisticians and mathematicians, we have different fields are there. Because my field is survival analysis. There is some packages are most needed packages is called as a survival, KM survey, survey minor. Nowadays, so many packages are available. Similarly, if you are interested, depends upon your research area. You have to search your package which is useful for your research work. That is the only thing you need. Otherwise, the initial things, also hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing, we have so many tests are there, non-parametric, parametric, and multivariate also you are going to learn. Everything is covered in R. So similarly, the multivariate analysis, we have started from the multiple linear regression and then go for discriminant analysis, canonical, everything, you canonical analysis, everything you are going to study in multivariate analysis. That's also. Similarly, principal component analysis, CFA, every CFA, that can be easily done with the help of the R. Usually, the researchers used AMAS and SPSS for getting structural equation model. But in R, easily you can get it with the help of R, structural equation models also. The survival analysis, it is very much used in medical science, and reliability, it is called as a reliability in engineering, and event history analysis in social science people. So many packages are nowadays available to know about a survival analysis, to handle your data, even though it is a classical survival model or competing risk model or a recurrent event model. Yeah, even nowadays, now I gone through the bootstrapping techniques and cross validation. These are also having nice experience in survival analysis. The machine learning approaches, many machine learning approaches also. If you are a sociology people, you can go through the nice textbooks are available for machine learning approaches. All the machine learning approaches, even though the survival tree, survival random forest, everything you can do it with the help of the our R. So fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic, if you want to know the Cripps number to fuzzy number and fuzzy number to Cripps number, so many methods are there. Then fuzzy linear regression line you can do it. So many fuzzy logic also involved in the R. So graph theory, if you take as a mathematician, if anybody mathematics department called me to take our workshop, I can take them for a linear programming problem and graph theory and everything they can do. Whatever things I overcome and their expectation, I studied up to now. Other than that one, more than available in our art. Time series analysis, classification, clustering, graphical technique. These are all the few things, whatever I gone through and I have a knowledge. That's only I have shown to you. So why R is needed? I mean, we have R is needed for the statistician because of the graphical control. Nowadays, ggplot2 is a new version is available, new concept that is also packages. That is a package getting graph things for attracting the researchers. That's why R is very important. So this is the sum of the R plot. I have taken it some years back only. If I take it today, it will be more nice compared to this. So you can interact with R with other softwares. You can take a data from SPSS, SAS, and Excel into R. You can import your output also to the other softwares. These are all the facilities are available. That's why I have given this one is R and other software. So you can communicate with the R. Your output can be get it in the form of HTML, PDF, or Word. That is also possible in R. So therefore you can interact with Python. Some of the concepts only I have shown here. How to installing R. I hope all are sitting before your system only. How to install R. This is the very simple installation process. So therefore, if you go to cranrproject.org, you type here. Yeah. So if all of you ready, just you type CRAN, comprehensive or archive network. This is a network only. cran.r.project. The first thing is you have to type this website name. I hope you are all doing. If you download R, then only you can proceed for next session. Okay, that is the duty assigned for me to how to install R. The install R is very, very easy. I hope this is visible for you. Am I correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yeah, visible. Please, it takes only 2 or 3 minutes only. cran.rproject.org. You click this one. All of you did it or not? If you say yes, then only I can proceed. Because just what?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So now go for R4.2.2 for Windows. Because today version is 4.2.2. I told you no. If you are a 64-bit user, you can download this one. If you are a 34-bit operating system, you can download this one. So now my system is 64-bit user. Already I downloaded R2.1, but for explanation, I need to download this one. Just you click. Okay. Now we will get this window. You see that it requires only 76 MB only. You can download and execute for 64-bit operating system user only. Otherwise, you can download 3.4. I told you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All are doing. Hello? I hope
Yes,
you are
sir.
doing. Okay? You are
Yes,
doing.
sir.
Okay. This is a very, very simple but very, very useful. I assure you. Because I am enjoying. Even though I am a mathematics professor, I am doing the theory papers or something, but I am enjoying to study more in statistics and whatever in the central institute or they are required, easily I can understand with the help of R. That's why. Okay. So you see that you just give download R4.2.2 for Windows. So here your download starts. Download starts. Okay, so my download starts here. R4.2.2 WinExe. I hope it taken only half a minute only. My download completes. I am getting this exe file. You know, you can keep this exe file in your pen drive or anything you can keep, and you can install it to another machine also. At the time, no need internet facility. With the help of this file, you can load it in your system. You can enjoy whatever things are available. Download, all of you downloaded or not?
Yes, sir.
Anyone facing any problem,
Uh,
please? Hello.
Sorry, excuse
Yeah,
me, sir.
please, Ravi sir.
Sir, can
Ravi.
you repeat the process, sir, for downloading?
You downloaded already, you know? No need.
No, sir. No,
Okay. Because
sir.
I am myself also downloaded. I am also having R2 4.2.1. If you want to download again, it's not a no problem. Okay.
So just tell me the process from Google.
Okay. Now, okay, you are having exe. If you open this one, or you can see it in folder. If you open, you are getting like this. I hope. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just you click yes. Just you click yes and go whatever things it requires. Because I am already downloaded. Even though I can download, I can install. Then give it okay. Hello. Shall I proceed?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next. That's all. This is next one. You give next. Next. No need. Next. If you want to create a shortcut, then everything is available there. Is next. I am already having 4.2.1, but I install 4.2.2 also. That's not a problem. Otherwise, you can delete it. I may use the new thing because I have so many packages already downloaded that will be available there. If I update the packages in R4.2.1, I will have what are the updated packages that will be updated in the old version. Finish. I told it will take only the 2 minutes. Now finish. You see that I am having R4.2.2. Already I have R4.2.1. Now I am having 4.2.2. All of you got it, this icon in your system or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about others? All are doing or not?
Yes, sir.
Because this is the first session. I have to motivate all the three. Got it. Okay. This is the simple one. Now you can do easily whatever you did previously with the other software. That can be easily done with the help of. If you click this icon, this is R.2.2, this window. This window is called as a R console window. This window is called as R console window. So when they are launched, I told you, 31st October 2022. You may get the updated version 4.2.3 tomorrow or today or next week or next month. Anytime you may get it. That's not a problem. You can use whatever you need with the help of the whole this version 4.2.2 also. So this window is called R console. In R, we have three types of things you should know. First one is called R console. What are the things you can do with the help of R console? You can type your command. This is the prompt you are having, In this prompt, you can type your command. you can execute your command and you can get your output in the same R console window. See that? Here I'm typing 64. Okay, so 64 minus 89. This is the simple command, arithmetic R. So give enter. You are getting the value minus 25. It's clear or not? I'm going to increase the font size. The font size can be increased like this here. See that 64 minus 89, I got minus 25. Why I'm getting 1 year means it is in the form of a one vector, one dimensional vector. So this is the output in the form of a vector. This is the first element in that vector. So therefore, this is the first element. Now you see that 1 to 1000. This is the number 1 to 1000. You see that this is array. This is the 15th element in my vector. That's why 15. This is the 29th element in my vector. That is 29. That's why I wish to explain about this concept. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Oh, please. Okay. So these are all things you can get it with the help of R console. So what is the use of R console? In R console, you can type your command, execute your command, you can get your output. So what are the commands you are typing that should be stored and retrieved? Any modification can be allowed. So we have another menu or another window in R that is called R script. You want to make it a new R script file. What is the R script file? Just like a Word, just like a notepad. What we can do in notepad, we can type something in notepad. If you want to edit, you can edit. If you want to save, you can save it. If you want send to your friend that file, you can send it. Similarly, a Word file or a notepad file. Similarly, R script also, you are written a nice program, but you have some doubt in that program. So you can send it to your friend. He will edit and resend it to you. So similarly here, file new script. So this is the another window in R is called as a R editor. R editor. Here you can type your command. Whatever commands you need, you can type. So now in mathematically, just we have so many functions are there, built-in functions. User-defined function also you can write it. Here so many built-in functions are there. You see that for exponential exp, for exponential, this is also I'm increasing font size. Exp 2, that means exponential of 3. This is I want e to the power of 3. We know the value of e is between 2 and 3, you know. So therefore this is I want e to the power of 3. If you want to run the command, you give control R. To run the command, control R. Now the value of e to the power of 3 is 20.08. What's the value of e to the power of 1? That e value, 2.71. Control R. So therefore 2.71. So therefore in R script, you can keep your cursor anywhere on the line and give control R. Are you practicing?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So this is exponential. Yeah. Okay. So therefore, similarly, we have so many functions are available. Now, square root, SQRT. You need not memorize anything. Just you can search in Google, then already you got an idea how to do it, then that's enough. Don't make it everything in your head. So therefore I want, this is square root of 1000. You see that whenever you are using the function, then you should apply open bracket and close bracket. The square root of 1000. So therefore 31.62278. Now I want the value of cos pi. Cos pi. What is the value of cos pi? Cos 0, 1. Cos pi minus 1. Shall we get it or not? Minus 1. The value of pi, pi, 3.14, 22 by 7. So pi, 3.14. So now I want sine pi by 2. That is also 1, you know. That's why pi by 2. 1. What is the 3 pi by 2? 3 multiplied by pi by 2 minus 1. So I have given in my PPT what are the main important mathematical functions are available. That is I have given. I can show it. So now first of all, I wish to explain the importance of R. The 3 types of windows are available in R. One is called R console. Another one is called as a R editor. So with the help of R editor, you can do like this. So I want sine inverse. That means you have to use the function A sine 1. So therefore this is sine inverse. Pi by 2, you know, pi by 2. What is pi by 2? 3.14 divided by 2. That's 1.54. So this is sine inverse. You want to explain about cos hyperbolic something, cos hyperbolic 1. Cos hyperbolic 1. The value of cos hyperbolic 1 equal to 1.54. What is the cos hyperbolic x? E to the power of x plus e to the power of minus x by 2. Therefore, exponential of 1 plus exponential of minus 1. Just you want to explain the relation between these two functions.
Sir, screen is not,
Hello?
screen
Hello?
is not visible.
What do you want?
Screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible. Why? Already shared. Hello? I am presenting only, you know. Hello?
It is visible, sir.
It is visible because in my screen you see that it's visible. Okay. Shall I proceed? Okay. Now this is you know cos hyperbolic x equal to e to the power of x plus e to the power of minus x by 2. Now I am applying this one. I am getting the same result. With the help of R, just I teach the students the relation between cos hyperbolic function and the exponential function. So these are all things. If you want to keep it in particular folder, particular file, then go to file, as usual, point and click method. Save as. I want to save this one. Save as. I kept this is in a C directory. One folder I created, that is a workshop 12th month. Okay, here I have to write a name. This is the example file. So the extension of this R file is .r. You can open this file through R only. You cannot open just like Excel in a desktop or Word in desktop. Now where it is available in the C directory, in the workshop folder, in the name of EX. It's clear or not? Up to this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
So please, hello.
Sir, so we can type comments on editor window as well as the this notepad window also.
Yeah. Console window also. In the
Console
console window, you can type and execute. Here you can keep your commands as a folder file.
Okay, these can be
If you want-
saved.
If you want to run all the commands,
Oh.
just you write all the commands
Okay, sir.
and Control R. You will get your output in this console only.
At a time we can execute it, all the commands.
Yeah. At a time you can execute all the commands.
Thank you, sir.
Because whenever you are writing a program, we will always do like this only, you know. Where you are getting the error or something. So therefore, for executing all the command, you highlight whatever the command. I want only this two commands to be executed. I highlighted. Now use Control R. So I am getting the result of cos5 and pi only. Clear?
Okay, sir. Clear. Thank you.
Now I want to save this one. I already saved. Okay. Now I am going to tell about the third type of window is available in R. That is called graphical window. That is called as a graphical window. Now, with the help of this function or norm, easily you can understand the significance inference theory with the help of R. Nowadays, R and R commander is also available. With the help of R, you understand the p-value and what is the structure of the distributions, everything with the help of R. Now, I am generating, that is enough. P norm, R norm, Q norm, these two, 4 words is enough. But now I am applying R norm. R norm is the function. Whenever you are using a function, you have to use open bracket and close bracket. So R norm, I am going to generate 1000 random numbers which follows normal distribution with mean 0, 1. Okay. So therefore, Control R. You see that I got 1000 numbers follows normal distribution. So this is the command. I want to draw a diagram. Ist is meaning for histogram. Within the function, I have to type. So now Control R. Here I got nice histogram. This is the third window I wish to explain to you. This is the third window. So now we have 3 types of window. One is called R console. Another one is called script, R script. Third one is called R graphics. So in R graphics, you will get graphs. If you want to see these things, you go to Windows. We have all the 3: R console, R editor, R graphic device. Is it clear or not? Now I explained the 3 types of windows available in R. One for R console, another one is R editor, the third one is R graphics. In R graphics, we will get a graph. Just you right click. It's clear. So this is the easy feasibility available in R.
Sir, can you show it once again, sir?
Yes.
If you don't
Yes.
mind, can you show
Which
it?
one, Professor, you want? Which one you want? You want to
Copying the histogram in MS Word. Copying the
graphs,
histogram.
Graphs.
graphs in Word, you know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got a graph now, you know. Then I got a graph. Now right click, copy, anyone, copy as meta file or copy as bit file, copy, then open one Word file, okay. Then Control V, paste, that's all. I'm getting, this is the initial one, this is the new one. Understood?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So this is the simple thing available in R. No need to pay, no need to spend more time. Initially, you have to enjoy. After getting that enjoyment, easily you can go through. We have so many options are getting information through internet. Download any PPT, any PDF, any books are nice books are available. Many books are available. These are all the 3 things are available in R. Shall I proceed for next one? Okay, I told this installation. This is R. I told you R. We have 3 types of things. One is console, scripts, and graphical device window. R console. You can type a command. Whatever I told, that will be available. So this is the things I did it. That's why I do it. Now next one.
Actually, sir, hello.
Please, sir. Please
Sir, can you please share the previous screen, sir?
share previous one. Which one?
Previous
This
2
one?
screens. Previous, sir.
This
Previous
one.
installation screen, sir.
Installation. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you did install, you know. Just to go to Grand Tab cran.comprehensive.archive network.rproject.org. Then there will be download R 4.2.2 for Windows. Then click whatever instructs. That's all.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you. Next screen, sir.
Hello, this one. This is I explain whatever I explained now. We have three types of options. That one console, scripts, and graphical.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, shall I proceed next?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you all. Thank you. So the another thing, the very important things you should know. I told you only three things is enough. How to install, how to handle package, how to handle data from other sources. These three is enough. And also data structure. That's why they are given assignment to tell about data structure. Now, how to install packages? How to install packages? Now in R, we are doing everything with the help of R. So now, there is the command is also there, and also point and click method is also there. In command, install dot packages. So many packages are in R. I told you, nearly 19,000 packages are available. Any one of the packages for your study. So, anyone wants to know about which type of package is useful for your study, you tell it to, we will search it. Anyone? What type of research work you are doing? Anyone want to share, or how to see the package which is necessary for your research work? Hello?
Yes, sir. You can take it, sir. You can select any.
I can select it. Hello?
You can give any example, sir. No problem.
No problem. Because why mean? Okay, right. Because they can easily understand. That's why. How to search the package is useful for the research work. That's why I ask the people. Okay. Now, a package. Here my default package, the survival package is a default one. I am also having, but this is the 4.2.2 I am using. So here I am using survival. It is a case sensitive. Now, install.packages is the function name. The survival is my package name. We have to type the package name without any case sensitive problem within quotes. Now you give Control R. I am executing the command, Control R. When you are executing the command, you will get this type of pop-up. So therefore, we have to download from CRAN mirror. You listen, you want to buy 3 books in different. First of all, you have to buy 3 books from the shop. Similarly, whatever the packages you need for your work, you have to download a system library. Another one is called as a user library. If you purchase a mobile phone, already app installed, built-in apps are there. The new app should be downloaded by you. Similarly, the system have some packages. But if you want any packages, you have to download from the CRAN mirror. You keep zero cloud as it is and give it OK. Give it OK. Now, to download packages, you must have internet facility. Without internet, you cannot do it because you are downloading from the CRAN. All are doing or not. You can keep many packages in your system. If you want to handle that package for your work, then you have to type library survival. Here you no need codes. So Control R. You see now what are the packages, what are the functions available in survival that can be easily used by us. Because I have taken that book for read. I bought 3 books and kept it in my library. Similarly, you can download the packages and kept it in your library. Whenever you want to read the book, you have to take the book. For the take the book only, you have to use the command library survival. Is it clear or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Clear. There is another way of downloading packages. You go to packages, just point and click method, packages, install packages, install packages. Now, this is the second time we are doing. That's why we are not getting that zero cloud website. Okay. Now, I don't know what purpose these packages are used. I select any one of the add rec. This is one of the package name. I want to install this package. Okay. So therefore, click OK. So my installation starts. Now in my library, I am having the package add rec also with the help of point and click method. These two ways for installing packages and handling packages. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. Okay, now the PPT, whatever I have given here. So these are the command I told you how to do it. File, new script, everything I do it. If you want to make it as a personal working directory, you have to use set working directory command. So these are all things are there. Install.packages, within quotes you have to give package name, library package name. If you want to give your library location, library.location, path to library. By practice you will get knowledge of this one, but I have given these things in my PPT. If you want to update the particular package, update. If you want to know the installed packages, you can use this one, installed packages. Install.packages. What are the packages are installed in your system? These are all packages. Because already I told you no. Default. Already I am having. These are all I am already having in 4.2.1. These packages are all in my library that will be available now. So these are the installed packages. So these are the functions are there. You can handle data from the packages. These are some comments I have given to you. Okay. Next, I am going to move data structure. Handling of R. I told you, you can handle R as a calculator or as a calculator. So this is the arithmetic operator. Already I have used, So this is square root, absolute value. To round the decimals, you round. Then cos inverse, cos hyperbolic, hyperbolic inverse, exponential, natural logarithm, common logarithm, assignment. When x equal to 5, this is called assignment. You can use complex number also. When you are two complex number, you can add it, subtract it, multiply it, divide it, find the inverse modulus of the complex number, argument of the complex number, real number of complex number, imaginary number of complex number, everything you can find it. So this is called as a logical operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not x, x or y, x and y, everything. Because I am going to do options. You want to make it all output should be with 7 digits or 8 digits. Then you have to use the function name options within digits equal to n. Sequence from 2 by the difference element, you can use it. Repeat command, format. You want to format scientific, number to scientific to number. You have to use these type of commands. Okay. You see that whatever I told you, here, the round 2.78757. I want to round it by 2 decimal. What are the things you will get it? You see that 2.88. 2.88. the sequence. This is a function, sequence of 1, 1000, but difference should be 10. So therefore 1, 11, 21, 31, this is the function is given sequence. Here complex number, Z1 equal to -1 plus 4i, 4i, -1 plus 4i. Z2 equal to 9 minus 3i. Okay. Now I want Z1 plus Z2. Z1 plus Z2 controller. You see that I am adding the real part. -1 plus 9, 8. 4 minus 3, I. Okay. So these are the things you can get it. Modulus of Z1. Root of a square plus b square. -1 square plus 4 square. So root 17. So root 17 is 4.12. So argument tan inverse of b by a. These are all things you can get it with the help of R. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That's why I was given the PPT. With the help of the PPT, just you type and enjoy. These are all. This is the motivation only. With the help of this motivation, you can go further. That's all. Right? Now, we should know the data structure. It is a very, very important. Very, very important data structure. So this is command line. Pipe. You have to use pipeline. Data structures. In the data structure, first one we have scalar. You see that A equal to 5, B equal to 9. Because 5 is a scalar, 9 is the scalar. I am assigning the value 5 to A. This is called object. 9 to B. 9 to B. Okay, but first I am starting from scalar. What are the operation you are doing for scalar that can be applied to other format also, other data structure format also. So now I execute these two. When you are executing, you will get, whenever you type A, the value of A, control R, A equal to 5. If you type B now the newly assigned value is 9. So therefore, I want 3 times of A minus 4 times of B. Control R, minus 21. So for multiplication, you have to use star. For subtraction, you have to use minus. Clear? So the same operation, A divided by B. What are the things you are doing for scalar that can be extended to other? Up to this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, right. Now I am moving for vector. Vector is a one-dimensional array. You see in our Excel file, name, standard, gender, everything will be there, you know. So therefore here I am creating one vector, name equal to. I am assigning object name as name. So for vector, if you are creating vector, you should start with column vector. That's why C. Within the open and close bracket, you have to give the values. If the values are numeric, just you give numbers. If the values are character, that should be within quotes. That should be within quotes. So now, for explain to you, C. Why I am using the C? This is called column vector. This is the function, default structure. Now I am going to use 5 numbers. 5 names, Ram. Simple name. Raja. Roja. Amma. Rani. Rosi. So now I taken 5 students' name. One is Ram, Raja, Roja, Rani, Rosi. So how I selected? This is the column vector. I am assigned these 5 names in the variable name. So each one should be separated by comma. Each one should be separated by comma. If it is a character vector, that should be within the quotes. Clear or not? After
Yes, sir.
after type this one, you execute Control R. Now this will be available in name. I started with scalar. Now this is a equal to 5. I assigned. Whenever I type a, I will get the value 5. Whenever I type name, I get the value Ram, Raja, Roja, Rani, Rosi. Clearer? Okay. So this is the concept. So I used to create some gender or sex. Sex equal to C of 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Because in my collection, I coded 1 for the male, 2 for female. You run it. So it's stored in sex. Okay. Now, standard. STD, standard. So, 7th standard. 7th, comma. 8th, comma. Instead of typing, because randomly I am selecting, that's why. Comma. For the purpose I am taking this one. With the help of this one only I am going to tell everything. Because I have to tell about descriptive statistics and the test for normality. So 7th, 8th, 9th. So that means Ram studying 7th standard, Raja studying 8th standard, Roja studying 7th standard, Rani studying 8th standard, Rosi studying 9th standard. Okay. So I run the command with the help of Control R. Now I created the 3 objects. One is name, another one is sex, the third one is a standard. The marks of the students of 5 students, M1 is 23, 45, 65, 100, 56. This is mark 1. Mark 2 equal to C of 67, 34, 89, 56, 45. Randomly I am typing some number. If you have a data, simultaneously you have to type like this. 100, 56, 89, 90, 99. So now I am having 3 more variables. These are all our integer variable. Here or not? These are all format of the vector. If you have any doubt, just go to my PPT. I have given everything. For the time sakes only, I started like this. So therefore, numerical vector, character vector, logical vector. That is the only for the first slide. So you have to start with C open bracket. It's clear or not? Okay, I run on.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. So I told you now, whatever things you are doing for vector, that can scalar, that can be done for other format. Now I want total. Therefore, M1 plus M2 plus M3, where I did A plus B. Similarly, I am going to add 3 vectors. So therefore, now total. If you want to see the total, TATAL, total. So this is the total value. That's why I introduce whatever things. If you want to divide, you can divide it. Whatever things that you use, you can do it with help of here. This is called vector format. Is it clear? Shall I proceed another one? Next one is called as matrix. Matrix or matrices? Matrix format. What is the matrix format? You know, I have given here also. You go in my PPT. Matrix. The function name is matrix. Within bracket, you have to write down the values. Then how many number of rows should be put it in n row equal something. How many number of columns should be put in n row something by row. And if you want the names, row names and column names that can be put it in this box, list box. This is the syntax of matrix. But I tell you, here I'm going to create a matrix A, 1, -5, 3, 2, 4, 1, 0, 1, -1. This is the matrix I want to create. How to create? You see that capital A equal to, you were type like this, matrix. The vector, what are the values are there? 1, comma.
Alexa,
I'm column wise. Hello, what do you want?
clear the music history.
Hello? Please? Hello? 1,
Then you
comma,
continue, sir. You continue.
1, comma, 2, comma, 0. I'm taking the values column wise. 1, comma, 2, 0, -5, comma, 4, comma, 1, comma, 3, comma, 1, comma, -1. Comma. Okay, parameter should be separated by comma. This is one parameter. In the parameter, you have to give the values. Okay. Here, I told you, n row is format is also there. Or otherwise, you can like this also. Number of rows, number of column. This is also enough. Okay, this is another parameter. You want list command, you can do it. Now, not necessary for me. I close it. Okay. So, therefore, matrix, what are the elements I have written? How many rows and column I have written in vector format? Clear or not? So now I wish to execute control R. Now you see your values are capital A. 1, -5, 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 0, 1, -1. Is it clear or not? Now I am going to create another matrix. B equal to 1, -2, 1, 3, 1, 0, 5, 1, 8. Randomly selected. Okay. So now the same concept. But I wish to tell one thing. That's why I've taken. This is the matrix as B. The matrix is B. Okay. Now I want to take the elements. Row wise. Default, I took column wise. It accepted, you know. Now I want to take it as row wise. What are the values? 1, -2, 1, -2, 1, 1, -2, 1, 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, 5, 1, 8. 5, 5, 1, 8. Now I have taken everything by row. That's why you have to give another concept by row equal to true. That's why I introduced this one. Okay. Now this is B. Both way you can take whichever visible for you. But this is available. Now then only you will get it. If you are typing like this and you will not get, this should be taken default as column wise. Understand or not? Whatever I am going to tell. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's why I ended it. Now, whatever the things you use for scalar, that can be easily you can use. A plus B. Sorry, capital A. Capital A plus capital B. Capital B. So 3 times of A minus 4 times of B. Okay. A multiplied by B. That is called element multiplication, not matrix multiplication. A percentage star percentage B. This is matrix multiplication. This is for matrix multiplication. Okay. Now just I run all these commands now. Control R. You see that A B means what is the A? This is A. This is 1 into 1 1 -5 into -2 10. So this is called element multiplication, but this is the matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. Okay. You want transpose. So transpose of A. Transpose of A. So therefore, you know the meaning of the transpose. The elements of the row can be written in the form of elements of the column. Okay, transpose of A. You want diagonal element only for A. I've given everything in my PPT. As a diagonal element, this is A. 1, 4 minus 1, diagonal element. You want eigenvalues. In matrix, we have eigenvalues and eigenvectors. That will be useful for our principal component analysis. Eigenvector, eigenvalue A. You want rank. There is often is also the rank. So the rank of the matrix is 3. You want determinant. So just type determinant. Determinant of A. So many things are available. If you go to install matrix, then you will get everything. Okay, this is called matrix option. Now let's I move for array. Array concept. Here array, I am going to make it as array. Therefore, function name is array. I am using the elements 1 to 24. You know what is the meaning of this one? This is the meaning of, instead of typing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I use this command. Now, this is the 3-dimensional 2, 3, 23, 4. So therefore, this is the 3-dimensional array. That means I want 2 by 3 matrix 4 times. I want 2 by 3 matrix 4 times. These numbers are stored in the form of 2 by 3, 4 times. Now, you execute AA. I told you no. 2 rows and 3 columns matrix 4 times. These elements can be arranged like this. This is called array. The same operation you can do it. Is it clear or not? Now, data frame. Data frame. What is a data frame? I can use all the things I created one-dimensional vector. STU is my data frame object name. You have to use the function name data.frame. Data.frame. What are the objects I have shown? Name, comma, name, sex, standard, name, sex, standard, M1, comma, M2, comma, M3, comma, total. These are all should be equal length. So now you see that STU is a data frame. This format is called as a data frame. Name, sex, standard, M1, M2, M3, total. Clear or not? The data structure, I have come up to array data frame. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now the final one is called list. The excellent thing available in R is called list. List compromise everything. I am giving some number. So therefore list. I am using A, small a. Already I am having a matrix A. Matrix A. A is array. STU is a data frame. You can include all type of data structure in list. That is called list. LL. You see that? Everything you got it. So A5, matrix A, then array, then data frame. So this concept is called as a list. These are all different data structures available in R. But in statistics, we know my type of variables are in scale, ordinary, ordinal, scale, ordinal. Some types of 4 types of things are available. In R, we have only the 2 types. One is called factor, another one is called as a scale, numeric or something. Now, you want to see the nature of the class. Now, what is the A? It is in the form of matrix. It is the form of matrix. Now, class name, only simple name. Therefore, is a character. Name is a character. You want standard or something is a numeric. How many letters are there? Then you have to use length. Length name. How many observations? So how many observations in name? 5. This is the way. In dimension, you can use it for your data frame, dim STU. So 5 observations and 7 variables are there. You see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it clear? These are all things are available. Yeah. Okay, next I am going to move on. How to convert it as a factor. Here I am going to convert sections standard into factor. These are the two things is important. That's why. Now, STU is my data frame. I am going to handle the variable sex in the STU data frame. That's why I introduced this symbol. Okay, so you use factor. Use factor STU $6, comma, and that variable, same variable, I'm going to convert into factor variable. Okay, levels. What are the things available in my study? 1, 2 only. 1, 2. 1, 2. I'm going to give labels. So therefore, 1 denotes male, 1 denotes male, 2 for female, 2 for female. The time sake, I'm going little fast. Okay, so now, therefore, factor, levels, labels. Now, if you see this one, this is class of the variable which is inside the data frame. I am taken variable inside the data frame. That's why I use STU. So this is factor. If you take only sex only, it will be because capital letter. That's why I got error. So it will be numeric. Okay, but this numeric variable I converted into factor. Similarly, I wish to convert another variable. What is the another variable? The format I wish to tell. Another variable is standard. We have standard variable, you know. So therefore, standard. But it is always given in label, in labels. Labels as given. You have to give only levels only. You have to give only levels. What is the levels? The 7th. Then it should be the same as what you given, 8th, comma, 9th. These are the things only, no need for levels, no need level. Level concept is not, levels only need, labels no need here, okay? Because already you have given 7th, 8th, 9th, okay? So automatically you stored 1 for 7th, 2 for 8th, 3 for 9th. It's clear or not? Why I have taken these two? One I have given numerical value, one I have given the character value. When you are giving the numerical value, you have to give labels. When you are given the character value, you just give the levels only. It's enough. Okay. Now, yes, please. Clear or not? So this is the important things available in data structures. Important things available in data structures. Is it clear or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let us move. I told you how to, from this only I can explain, and finally I explain how to bring data into R. Okay. Now, I want how many boys are in my data and girls are in my data. For that one, you have to use the command table STU $6. Therefore, in my data, 2 males are there, 3 females are there. I want percentage. Therefore, you have to use the command prop table. Don't memorize anything. Just listen. What are the things are happening? Then if you search, you will get it. So therefore, 40%. If you multiply this one by 100, you will get 40% of the observations are male, 60% are female. It's clear. Now, because I'm going for descriptive statistics. Now, you want a diagram. You want diagram. What type of diagram you want? You want bar plot. Bar plot bar plot. For which variable you want? STU $6. Bar plot, I want STU $6. That's all. Bar plot is the function. Which variable you want? That variable should be factor variable. What's the meaning of factor variable? Categorical variable. We cannot find mean, median, mode, or some central tendency in that variable. That type of variables are called as a factor variable. Only you count number of frequency in the particular group class. That is called level. Yeah. Okay. So now, yeah. Because here you have to take table command. Because table STU6. Then you see there is a diagram will be available. This is bar diagram. Bar plot table STU $6. Male, female. You want add color. Easily you can add with parameter. Because it is a bar plot is my function. This is table STU6 is one parameter. I want to add color. Color equal to, we have 456 colors are there, I hope. You can give number or you can give whatever color you need. Red and green. I need red and green. Red and green. That is the one parameter you are including. See now. Okay. So you want help. Then just you go for double star bar plot. You will get what are the things are available with some nice guide. Bar plot. You must have internet facility that time because we are searching it through internet. Whatever things I added, here, you can easily search. Now you want heading, you can use main. This is bar plot. Bar plot. Now if I run this command, you will get a new thing, bar plot. Okay, so here, you got it or not? Starting to done. Yeah, here you got it, bar plot. So here, basic bar plot. If you go to for basic bar plot, you will get so many bar plots are there. That's why you go to this one, bar plot graphics. So this is the bar plot. These are all things which are all called as arguments. If you want to introduce one by one, you want to give X limit, you give X limit. You want to give Y limit, Y limit. I have given here heading main. Okay, so just one by one you add and enjoy what are the things are happening. Then easily you can learn. You can create your graph with a nicely with the help of this argument. Is it clear or not? Okay. So this is called bar plot. Similarly, you want pie plot, pie chart, pie for standard. So therefore, STU $STD. Now see that this is the pie chart. If you want to give the colors, you give color. So histogram should be given for only tables, only scale variables. Therefore, STU $total. So therefore, this is histogram. Here the variable is like this. That's why there is some gaps there. Or you want histogram for Mark 1. So this is the histogram for Mark 1. It's clear or not? So now I want summary. When using the summary for total, for variable total, you will get in the total variable minimum value in my observations are the student got minimum total is 135. Maximum total is 246. Clear or not? The median value is 200. The 50% of my observations are getting total below 200. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you want stem plot, stem. These are everything is available. Just I motivated, that's all. I know something only, many things are available. So therefore, what is this? STU total. 2 digits to the, therefore the sum to STU total. So many things are available. Here, this is the summary. You want this, if you want to include one library site, that library is already I installed that one. Why I am telling you now? The function is that describe by the total. If we give this function, we have number of observation 5, mean value of my total, standard deviation of my total, median of my total, trimmed median, MAD, minimum value, maximum value, range, skewness, kurtosis, standard error. Everything we will get it. If you want compare with your gender, then so this is the mean value for the male. Standard deviation total value for male. This is for female. It's clear. This can be easily get it with the help of this one. So this is called as a descriptive analysis. Easily you can get it with one function. That's why I use the function describe by. So by the way of handling everything like this, you can easily enjoy. In my PPT, I have given everything. Just go through it. Whatever things I told, everything is available. When if you want to bind two matrices, you use or bind. So array, data frame, factor. I told you, list. Dimension means it mentions the row, number of observations and the number of variables. Structure, each variable type, class, each variable will be a type. Okay. So these are all things are. If you want to edit the command, you can edit. If you want to edit. Now I want to edit it. That means you edit your data frame. So like this you can edit, but you have to store it. If I want to add another variable, Raja is already there. Rajan, male. He is from 9th standard. His marks are 78, 90. But you have to add only. Okay, 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay, now it will not add it because you have to give edit means edit and store only you can add. STU1 equal to edit, then only it will be added. Raman, male, he is from 9th standard, 67, 89, 90. You put number 6, 246, I think. Now if you type STU1, you will get a new 6 one. Okay, but STU is as it is. It contains only 5 observations. You want to fix in the same means, same STU, then you use STU. So if you edit anything here, automatically it modifies the STU command. Okay, so this is to me, female, 8, number 50, because I should not make error while adding. That's why I'm taking safely 50. Now if you type STU, now automatically you are added. The difference between edit and STU, when edit and store it new file, then fix it in the same file. Okay, so these are the things are available. So when you go for the testing for normality, because I'm having only 10 minutes, then go for normality, what is the things you can do by graphical method, by use of the histogram or stem plot, you can check normality. And by the way of skewness and kurtosis, beta 1 equals 0, beta 2 equal to 3, therefore you can get it, the value. And another thing is you have so many tests are there, Shapiro tests are there. With the help of that one also you can do it. I have given in my PPT the final slide. These are all things, statistics in research, whatever I explained. No. So therefore, this is important statistics, classification, frequency, tablet, I tableted, descriptive measure, mean, median, mode, geometry. So the skewness and kurtosis, graph, pi diagram, bar diagram, these are all I explained. So with the help of the summary, you can find this one. With the help of describe function, you can get it. Okay. So now this is a describe by function I used. Test for normality with the help of histogram. Hist is the function. I already used it. Variable. Plot density variable. You can get this. You can get it. Now, in a just to copy. Your variable is total. That is called STU dollar total. You want frequency false, you put false, or otherwise you keep it as it is. Already I told how to find histogram. So this is the histogram. This is the histogram for this variable. So this is the plot. With the help of this one, you can find it. Another one with the help of norm QQ. So therefore QQ norm, QQ line. This is the command. You know how to find QQ norm. QQ norm. This is also diagram. Okay, QQ line. It should be the along 45 degrees. Then QQ line. The next one is skewness and kurtosis. I told you, describe by command when putting value. If the skewness is 0 and kurtosis is 0, then we can say that that variable follows normality. Then Shapiro test. The Shapiro test also, you assume that your variable follows normality. But what type of p variable you got it here? With the help of that one only. Yeah, my p is 0.4252. That means your variable follows normality. You see that the diagram, whatever diagram here, plot density. This is nearly normal like this. That's why this variable follows normality. So this is the conditions for testing for normality. Finally, I hope I covered what are the syllabus assigned by the organizer. Now, how to import data? How to import data? So therefore, we can import all data from other sources to R. But if you are Excel data, it is in the form of CSV format. That is called comma separated value format. I have one data here. That data is called job data. 400 observations are there and 25 variables are there. I have kept this one in Excel file. This is the data. It's a one questionnaire. Data 400 observations. It is in the form of CSV form. I want to bring into our job data, job. You keep any name, but you have to give read.csv. The path you have to specify. It is in the path of something workshop under 12th month 22 in the name of job1.csv. So this is the path within quotes. This is separated by comma. Therefore, you have to write separated by comma. I have to take the first row as my variable name. Therefore, header equal to true. Now control R. Now see that it is available in R or not now. Yet job. It shows the first 6 records. First 6 records. Whatever I kept in my Excel file, it is in the form of CSV. I brought it into my R. So easily I generated one small data, you know. This is the data collected by the researchers. They keyed the data in Excel. Now I took it from Excel and kept it in R. So gender 1, 2, 1 for male, 2 for female. Age also 4 category. Job 2 category. Experience 4 category. You have to give as a factor. Then these are all one dimension, EP1. This is another dimension, this is another dimension, this is another dimension, this is another environmental perception, organizational commitment, job satisfaction, staying intention. So you add everything and put it into scale. So these are all treated as a numeric variable. These are all treated as a factor variable. Okay. So I hope now 1 o'clock. Up to this clear or not? Are you enjoyed or not? Listen
Yes,
or not?
sir.
I hope I completed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Dr. Ramakrishnan. And without taking extra time, and he completed almost the given task without wasting any questions or queries are there, or otherwise you can propose your feedback.
Sir, can you share the PPT to us,
Yeah.
which are shown by you?
Yes. We'll do it. Okay. Anywhere?
Veera, Krishna, and Sarita raised their hands.
Yes, I will go through, sir. Yes, those can ask questions.
Yeah. Many books are.
There is one in chat box. There is one.
Yeah.
Please suggest a best book for R.
Yeah. I will send it that book name.
Yes, sir.
Best book is available, but I have to check if it is available here or not. Okay, I will send that name. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because many books are there. The simple book is available. I will tell it to you. Next one. Any?
I don't think, because it is very clear, and you started your session from scratch, from installation, then data types and data structures and everything you explained, and including the descriptive statistics and other, and testing of the normality, and how to convert the CSV file to R also. So nice of you, sir, and thank you once again.
Thank you.
For accepting our request on behalf of Andhra University. On my own behalf, I am very much thankful to you, sir, for accepting our request.
Thank you.
And once again, thank you all the participants, and we will meet evening 6:30 for the second session. Thank you all.
Thank you all.